got this big rotor off. So today we're doing a little project for a buddy of mine out here in the sticks. When he bought the house, pretty much what you see right there was the only thing brick. Everything else was vinyl. And he had the brick put up. So when the guy come out to do the brick mold, which was supposed to be one before, was like that right there, wrapped in metal. Let me show you what he actually done. He done this instead. Little piece of 1.5 inch piece of metal. And the only thing he's got hung up there is some little strips of caulking. You see a little strip of caulking right there. And that's what he's got. That's what he done. But what we're doing is we're putting up, since we don't have nothing actually nailed to, because the brick goes up to the vinyl like that right there. We're taking the metal down, which there's the metal we've been taking down. And what we're using is what they call vinyl wood. This stuff right here. One side smooth, it's reversible. The other side got texture. And that's what we're putting all around here. So I'll keep you updated, give you steps along the way. All right. Okay, so we just put one piece up to give you an idea. Got a 45 on here. And what we did is we actually tap-conned it. Put tap-cons in. There's 3 right there in the 8-foot section. We're going to caulk them and make them blend in. So that's just an update. All right, keep going. Okay, so I've got this side's actually done compared to what it looked like. Got my holes caulked up, but I didn't caulk this one at the end because I'm gonna try to set this 45. I might have to unloosen this one, adjust a little bit, whatever. We're going on around this way. I'll keep you updated. All right, so we're finished. Looks pretty good. Homeowner's gonna come home and clean the rest of the vinyl. The way to match a whole lot better. Yeah, you can see where I actually took a Foster bit and actually, drilled out a little hole so all the heads of my tap cons would actually countersink, so I can caulk them and hide the holes. He didn't want the front porch done, which is fine. All he wanted to do was where the mason had put that metal up there, a little 1.5 inch piece up there. Looks good. All right, let's see what the homeowner thinks about it when he gets home. All right, bye.